Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this fall Christmas Thanksgiving look slash anything look you want to call it. I'm really in love with this look because one, I hardly do stuff like this because I just don't be having the time, and so I'm really loving how it came out. I am loving my hair, okay? I'm in love with my hair, you guys. You don't understand. When you failed at twist out at almost every time you try, this is like the 4th or 5th time I'm trying twist out because of how much I hate it, and it came out looking good. Okay, won't you agree with me? I'm really loving this look. Very simple to achieve. It kind of complements the hair. It's very sultry. It's just okay. That's the feeling. Anyways, if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would truly appreciate it if you do subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and let's get into it. So I'm going to start by priming my eye area with my Estee Lauder primer. I want to first of all start by apologizing for my inconsistency. I have been having some technical issues lately. I don't know what that is about, but anyways, I'm going to put my NYX concealer right underneath my brows. You guys know I like to do this before I use an eyeshadow base, the P. Louise eyeshadow base to be precise, and I think this is Rumor 3. Here I'm just putting it in the top part because there's no need to put in the lower part, so to say. It's a cut crease, so I'm focusing on the top part of my eye, even though it still came down. Going into my I think this is Dulce Deuce, the Juvia's Face palette. I believe it's Dulce, I don't know. Taking that shade, and I'm just gonna put it all over it's supposed to be my transition color, but it came into my crease. Then I'm taking this brown color, I'm just gonna put it right in my crease. It wasn't what I had in mind, so it was sort of too browny. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't what I had in mind. So I went into my festival palette and I took that red and I stacked it on there to sort of blend with the brown, so to give me like a deeper red. So it gave me like a deeper red. I went back and forth with the brown and the red, as you can see me do here. So it's like a darker version of the red, and you just want to take your time to blend, and you know, going back with all 3 eyeshadows. And now I'm going to cut my crease with my P. Louise eyeshadow base. I believe it's Rumor 3 I used. So you want to take your time with this. Of course, this video is very sped up, so and with practice it becomes easier. You kind of understand your crease, but I hardly do full cut creases because it's just so much work, to be honest. So you want to take your time and cut your crease. Get a brush that works well for you. Me is this, I don't know, is this old brush I got from this was it AliExpress or was it Amazon? I don't remember. Anyways, I'm just going back with that brown just to intensify the line and make it more crisp and clean, and I'm just going to blend. And I'm gonna go back to that I forgot the name of this palette, that palette, and I'm gonna take this color. Okay, so this is not what I had in mind. When I swatched the color, it was giving me like this pinkish color, which I was like, okay, that's nice. But when I put it on my eyes, it wasn't really working well. It's like a shimmery color, but anyways, those of you that have the palette understand what I'm talking about. I don't know how to explain it. So I went into a brighter color, and I just put that in there, and that kind of I just use that color for the entire lid. Now I'm going to use my NYX glitter eyeliner, the gold one, and I'm just going to, you can't even really see it honestly with this look, but if you saw me in person, you definitely see it. And it just kind of added something to the look because I just felt like the look was too pale. So yeah, and then now I'm just lining my eyes with my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner that I got from Walmart. I believe it's $1 something, I think, but it's very inexpensive.
Now I'm going into my face. I'm going to prime my face with my Makeup Forever smoothing primer and my Scandinavia primer spray. Now for the face, like I said, I've been having technical issues, so the clip where I did my concealer and I set my face and I contoured, I missed the clip. Is there, it just wouldn't download because for some reason it keeps telling me my memory is full, which I've deleted pretty much everything on my laptop, but it's, I don't know. But today I'm trying the Born This Way foundation in Ganache. I love this foundation, you guys. Like, the finish of it was amazing. Of course it's a shade darker than I am, but I rather my foundations are darker than lighter, because if it's lighter you'll understand. I was like, it's dark. So yeah, I was like, okay, we're gonna make this work. So I used my concealer in chestnut, and everything came together. The foundation is just like a shade lighter, darker than I am, so it worked and I actually like it because it just, oh my god, it blended well. So like I said, I missed the whole clip of using concealer and all of that, so don't forget to use concealer and all of that. Anyway, so I lined my eyes with my NYX black liner, and then I just went in with the brown and the red, and I just smudged my lower lash line and sort of dragged it out. Now I'm gonna go to the Festival palette, and I'm just gonna take that gold and just bring it in a little bit there, and also use it to highlight my brows. And that's it for the eyes, guys. It looks like it's complicated, but honestly it's something very simple, except for the cutting of the crease, but every other thing. So now I'm just gonna go into my Saharan Blush 2 palette, and I'm just going to highlight my face, my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin. You all know the drill. Now I'm gonna blush up my face with those two blushes. I go in with the purpley one, and then I take the peachy one on top of that, and I just blend. I go back to re-highlight my face. Sometimes I don't apply any highlighter, I just use the brush to blend everything together, and then I recontour again as well. And now I'm gonna re-highlight a little bit. I didn't even add anything, so I'm just spraying my face with my Scandinavia setting spray, the brighter one. I love this stuff. And then I'm just using some mascara to bring out my lashes before I apply falsies. I love to do my lower lashes. No, I don't apply falsies there. I would try that sometime though, but my lower lashes I just do a double coat, and it gives it like the illusion of it adds length to it, so to say. Using my MAC lip liner in Vino, I line my lips, and then now using my Colourpop Cosmetics, it's a satin lipstick. I think it's the Prime, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's PRIM. I've had this for like 3 years now, and I love it. Now using my lashes, I've already applied my dual fiber glue. These lashes are from AliExpress. Most 99% of my lashes are from AliExpress, so I'm just applying those falsies. You want the glue to get a little bit tacky, and then you apply. And that's it, guys. This is it before I bring out my hair.
So this is the finished look, guys. Something very, very sultry, I am feeling this look. I am feeling myself. Okay, I am feeling myself. Okay. So let me know what your thoughts are on this look, and if there are any looks you want to see, please leave any tutorials you want to see, leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. As always, don't forget to leave and not exist. Okay, I love you and God loves you. Mwah.